Rolnik. I contribute the Azure blog and YouTube channel. It was with no our Docker was showing new MicroK8s for Windows with the boot application. I can hit to top from the MicroK8s running on the WCL2, but did access to the mic application. Now I do that right. So here on now, here in the MicroK8 board, I have microboot running and load balancer is named because now I can run part. So what I do in the same way I show don't worry this MicroK8 X is a multi machine and it's the cube cell. So here just to show the command running inside the machine. And okay, we can see this is the thing we have bar here, or microboot serves load balancer with the XC, the microboot. I don't access the IP. How it was look it's so for micro check the on the kubectl. Actually, the help on the help see the port for it, right? So we use the 8 kubectl port and both address to address I have the port 8000 post dot. This part is high of my computer, and this 80 part is content. Right. Let's run it. So the MicroK8s will run this command inside the container. It isn't. And the IP you access will be IP the same address you are seeing on the internet dashboard. I will access this IP as port 8000, right? So oh, here 1000 and my here this is a code is MicroK8s is to the CTL. It's forwarding the part to inside the pass. Thanks to us, and I got it. It's working.